Okay, here we go. Here's a little bit of derivative practice, and we're just gonna just go through examples. That's really the best way. I think we've covered enough, but examples and just working out problems is the best way to do this. First thing I'm gonna do, of course, I'm gonna rewrite this. Okay, and I just rewrote it to be sine to the 1/2 power. Okay, so now if I want to find dr d theta, it's a little bit easier. So I'm just going to go use my power rule. Remember, power rule, 2 theta. Now I wrote it out. Don't forget to use the power rule again. And now I'm going to take the derivative of this inner portion right here, and I'm going to tack it on to the rest there. And it looks like we got a product. So that's f prime plus regular g, or f prime times regular g plus g prime times regular f. So that part right here, that's going to be equal to f prime. I'm going to call this f prime, and I'm going to call this my g. So the 2 theta, that's just 2 times regular g, that's just sine theta. Okay, plus g prime, that's a cosine theta, multiplied by regular f, and I called that 2 theta. Okay, so let me just clean this up a little bit. We got, I'm going to factor out the 2, and that's going to give us sine theta plus theta cosine theta. Okay, you see how I did that? I just pulled the 2 out, and I was left with just a theta and just an addition of sine and cosine. Okay, so now I'm ready to tack this right here. I'm just going to tack this onto the back door, kind of like the caboose, but I'm going to do it down here just to be a little... can you guys see that? Okay. So we had, yeah, 2 theta sine theta, so the negative 1/2, multiplied by 2 okay, right there. So, and that's just all I did. I just took this right here and I just stuck it on the back end. Right away I notice sometimes I just draw the whole fraction bar on these long ones just so I don't get confused. I mean, it might look weird, but just it's a good tip. I know I have a 2 in the numerator and denominator, so those will cancel out. And it looks like yeah, it looks like this is negative, so it's going to go downstairs to the denominator. So I'm just left with this sine theta plus theta cosine theta, and that's going to be over 2 theta. Right there, final answer, derivative on that. Okay, we're going to do another one. I'll see you in the next video.